MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
Our 2018 Subaru Crosstrek is designed to thrive in winter, but so far it hasn't had much taste of snow and ice, as our mid-Atlantic winter has been mostly devoid of the white stuff, but the cold has been a constant. Regardless of temps and the growing number of potholes, the refinement of the new global platform really shined. The 152 horsepower 2-liter 4-cylinder with CVT is still up to every task we throw at it. The Crosstrek has been a steady workhorse in the MotorWeek long-term test fleet. Our staff loves a good hatchback, and this is certainly a good hatchback. Plenty of space, enough ground clearance to confidently tackle bumpy gravel roads, and a comfortable upscale interior. Our overall fuel economy average is 29.6 miles per gallon on regular, which is right in line with the government's combined rating. Hopefully, we'll see the Crosstrek's all-wheel drive in action during the snowy months to come.